Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making this Dal Vada with lots of dill leaves. In Karnataka it's called as Ambode, which is prepared during festivals. I really love the taste and flavor of these leaves, so let's start making. You need some soaked chana dal, drained, add some salt, cumin seeds, saunf, green chili and ginger, coriander seeds and some hinge. Grind it in a blender. Just coarsely grind it, you don't have to make it into a paste. Then add some chopped onion and lots of dill leaves. You can finely chop these dill leaves, but I added just like this and mix it really well. After mixing, try to make this into a ball, and if it's not coming together, you can add some ground flour. If it comes and holds together like this, start making that into patty shapes. Once you're done shaping all the vadas, let's fry them. Heat some oil in a pan. Keep the flame from low to medium and start frying all the vadas. After adding the vadas, don't mix it immediately, let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then slowly flip it and fry both the sides. Once it is nicely fried, take it out from oil and transfer it to an absorbent paper. And fry all the vadas in the same way. Hot vadas with some strong chai, and that's what I called as a perfect evening. You can always substitute this dill leaves with coriander leaves, mint leaves, or even curry leaves. So definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes. Thank you.